Huge AZ Cooks tip of the day when it comes to summer grilling, what to do with wood chips, wood chunks, charcoal, etc. I use natural hardwood charcoal. Those are pieces of charcoal that are non-compressed, not briquettes, that come in smaller natural wood shapes. I use Fruitwood to contribute flavor and regulate temperature to a degree over my natural hardwood charcoal. And I find that Fruitwood is ideal with grilling fruit, fish, chicken. If you're grill barbecuing or grill barbecue smoking, you want to take moist, small chips like these, get them nice and wet, let them sit for a half an hour, 45 minutes in cold water, and then put big handfuls of them on top of your hot natural hardwood charcoal. They will dry in a couple of minutes and then begin to slowly, from the edges as they dry, burn and give off smoke. Big chunks of Fruitwood. I use them two ways. Indirect cooking, a chunk or two goes into the grill, slides on top of the area where I have my hot coals, and slowly burns. These will catch fire. They will increase the heat in my coal bed, which is fine if you're doing a pork shoulder. The other thing that you can do is you can soak these for 3 or 4 hours in a bucket of cold water, or as much as overnight, and then use them to provide smoking flavor for longer periods of time. These will take about 4 to 6 hours to disappear over natural hardwood charcoal on a coal bed that's anywhere from 250 to 275 degrees. Big chunks, wood chips, Fruitwood. It's gonna make your chicken and your fish and fruit taste absolutely fabulous.